Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or the challenge, I guess. It is day 9 of the challenge where I am trying to make $500 from woodworking as fast as I can. Right now we're still at $0, but we've had really cold weather, and the lady who is coming to pick up those 3 side tables has confirmed the purchase, but still hasn't come pick them up yet because she lives quite far away, and it will just, because due to the bad weather, she hasn't been able to make it. But I'm hoping that she can come maybe next week or this week still. Right now, as you might have heard, it's been super cold in central Alberta. We've had between minus 30 and minus 50 Celsius for past week here. Finally today it's about minus 18 degrees Celsius, so I was able to get out in the shop and do a little bit. Because my shop isn't heated, I can't really do a whole bunch otherwise in those cold temperatures. Even right now it's pushing it, so that's why today's video I wasn't able to get done that much today, but still. And right now we are working on those 2 big poplar live edge side tables. These side tables are going to be quite big. They're about 21 inches in width, and that's not biscuit jointed at all. One solid tree, so that's very big piece. And so, but it did have a few cracks in it, but we're able to fill those cracks in with epoxy, as you've seen in the last video. So right now I'm just cleaning that up with some more planing with the hand planer, power planer, and the orbital sander. But yeah, thanks for watching today, guys. It's really nice to see everybody tuning in to watch me on my journey here. I do these challenges to prove to myself that with some diligence and determination, discipline, a person can do this. But as you guys know, we have lots of projects on the go right now. We are just finishing them up, and they'll be for sale soon, and we'll be hopefully getting this challenge done soon. Completing the challenge, I guess you would say. But today, because it was so cold, I didn't want to start any new projects. So right now we're just working on finishing up some old ones here. So that's why I'm doing all this right now, and there's no new builds. And I also was finishing up some bases, getting them all sanded down and putting wood filler in them so that they could be ready for painting soon here. But yeah, these are the little stands for those 2. They're a bit more spalted poplar, but yeah, these are the little stands for those. I'm still making my own wood filler with glue, but I find it takes a lot of glue, so I'm not sure and glue is quite expensive. I'm not sure what is cheaper, if it's just regular, if it's buying pre-made wood filler, or making your own. I think it's still making your own, because pre-made wood filler is pretty costly as well. But still, if you guys have any ideas how to get costs down for wood filler or other ways to make wood filler, let me know in the comments. We also started epoxying